Hey there, construction crew! Welcome back! I hope you're all feeling awesome and ready to make some amazing art today. Guess what? You can color along with me. All the pages we're working on are ready to print at home. Today, we're going to learn all about 3 super cool construction vehicles. We'll kick things off with this awesome dump truck and learn how it moves all that dirt, sand, and gravel to keep construction sites running smoothly. Then we'll check out what an auger does. It's so powerful. And last but not least, do you know what this is? It's a forklift. We'll find out how forklifts move heavy stuff around while we color it in to look super cool. So grab your markers, crayons, or colored pencils, and let's get started. Do you know what color dump trucks usually are? That's right, they're yellow. Let's grab our yellow crayon and color in the truck. Yellow is so bright. It helps everyone at the construction site see the truck from far away. Safety first. These trucks are huge and have massive tires, so they can carry their load over all construction sites. How's your dump truck looking at home? Now, let's fill in all that mud in the back of this truck. We'll color all that earth a nice muddy brown. Let's go! Time for some details. Let's color the brake lights bright red so they stand out at the back of the truck. And now, grab your silver or gray to color the hydraulics. Those powerful parts that lift the truck bed to pour out all the dirt. Imagine how strong those hydraulics are. Whoa, check out these massive tires. Dump trucks need huge wheels to carry all that weight over rough ground. Let's color them in black. Have you ever seen wheels this big before? They're so strong to handle the heavy load. Question time. How much do you think the dirt in a full dump truck weighs? A, as much as a mouse. B, as much as 2 elephants. C, as much as a jumbo jet. If you guessed B, you're right. A dump truck can carry as much weight as 2 big elephants. Now that's a heavy load. Don't forget about the digger in the background. Let's color it yellow too, just like our truck. Diggers help move all the soil into the back of the dump truck. Diggers are awesome at lifting dirt. Imagine how much soil they can move at once. Now, let's color in these bright orange traffic cones at the front. Traffic cones are painted orange so they can be seen easily and keep everyone safe at the construction site. Safety is always super important. Time to add some green. Let's color the hills in the background and the grass in the foreground a vibrant green. It really makes the scene come to life, doesn't it? I hope you're having fun coloring with me. Let's make the ground a bit dirty. After all, the construction site must get super muddy with all these big vehicles driving around. We'll color the ground a muddy brown. Look at how much dirt the dump truck has to drive through every day. Would you like to be a builder one day? It must be so much fun working outside, driving these huge machines and building incredible things. Now, let's finish up by adding a big, bright blue sky. Every construction site needs a blue sky to get the job done, right? I wonder what the builders are making today. It could be a new playground, a tall building, or even a new school. So exciting! Great job, construction crew! Don't forget to share your colored-in pages with me. I can't wait to see them. Maybe your art will be featured in the next video. Welcome back, construction crew. We're back and ready to color another awesome construction vehicle. We've got a bobcat with an auger drill, a powerful machine used to dig holes. Check out this bobcat working on a construction site. All right, let's get started. Grab your crayon and let's color the bobcat. I'm going for blue. Look at how bright and bold it is. Bobcats are super strong and can move around easily, even in tough conditions. They're perfect for big jobs. Did you know an auger is a type of drill? Just like a hand drill makes holes in wood, an auger can drill deep into the ground. Look at that! Augers are amazing. They have a spiral shape that helps scoop up dirt, ice, or anything else as they dig. It's like a giant corkscrew pulling up the ground. How many holes do you think this auger can drill in one day? 10, 50, or 100? If you guessed 100, you're right. Augers are super powerful machines. Now it's time for some silver. Let's color the bumper and the auger drill. These parts have to be strong and shiny to work on big construction sites. Look at that auger digging into the mud. Imagine how deep it can go. The deepest hole ever drilled was 40,000 feet deep. That's deeper than Mount Everest is tall. Okay, we've finished the auger. Now let's color in these big black tires. They're perfect for driving through mud and uneven ground. Look at the size of those tires. Huge tires like these are built to carry heavy loads over tough terrain. Let's color the muddy holes next. We'll use a nice brown for the dirt and use the same color for the wooden fence in the background. It looks great already. Did you know that augers are also used to plant trees? They dig perfect holes for tree roots to grow in. Now, let's finish up with a bright blue sky and some green grass. This is the perfect spot for our bobcat to keep working. Our bobcat and its auger drill look ready to dig some more holes. Great job, construction crew. You did awesome. All right, construction crew. Next up, we've got a super cool page to color, a big, strong forklift ready to lift heavy loads on the construction site. For this page, you'll need orange, yellow, green, blue, a gray or silver, a brown, and a black. First, we're going to color this big bright sky. Let's grab our blue. There's nothing like a clear blue sky for a great day at work. I wonder if any of you know why builders love sunny days so much. That's right, it makes it easier to see and get the job done safely. Did you know some construction workers start their day as early as sunrise to get the job done before it gets too hot? Look at that forklift unloading supplies from a truck. Forklifts can carry all kinds of materials on construction sites. They must be super strong to lift those heavy loads. Now, let's color in these bushes and the grass with some bright green. What animals do you think might live in the grass near a construction site? Maybe some bunnies hopping around. Or little birds watching all the action from nearby. I bet they're just as curious as we are about these big machines. Imagine all the little animals that get to watch the big machines at work. Check this out. Look at how fast these forklifts are zooming around. They're busy lifting and moving packages all day long. They never seem to stop. Next up, it's time for some bright orange. Let's color in the traffic cones up front and the safety light on our forklift. Traffic cones and safety lights are orange because it helps them stand out. Keeping everyone safe is a big part of working on a construction site. Look at this forklift placing a crate down gently. Watch as the forks slide out carefully so everything stays in place. These machines are built for precision. Now, grab your gray crayon. We'll color in these rocks here in the foreground and the metal on our crate and forklift too. Metal is super important on construction sites. It's strong and helps hold everything together. Imagine all the things we couldn't build without it. Here's a forklift stacking crates way up high. Forklifts can lift things to amazing heights, which is super handy when you need to reach the top of a big stack like this. Look at these huge tires. Let's color them black. Forklifts have these big tires so they can roll over rough, bumpy ground and keep steady, even with heavy loads. How cool is that? Can you think of other big machines with giant tires? Wow, look at this forklift moving a huge container. Those big tires help it stay balanced even when lifting something this heavy. Imagine lifting something as big as a shipping container. All right, let's grab our brown crayon to color the crate and everything inside it. Crates are often made of wood because it's sturdy and great for holding heavy items like building supplies. Now, let's color this rolled up blueprint a bright blue. Blueprints are like maps for builders, showing them exactly where everything should go. Imagine if we had to build something without a plan. Where would we start? Look at this forklift lifting heavy drinks all the way to the top shelf. Forklifts can be used anywhere, not just construction sites. They're built to help move heavy things up, down, and all around. Now, for the star of the show, the forklift. And I'm going with yellow. Yellow helps forklifts stand out. So they're easy to see when they're lifting and moving things around. Have you ever seen a yellow forklift in real life? They're construction superheroes. Hey, here's a fun fact. Did you know some forklifts can lift as much weight as a car? Wow! Now look at this big orange forklift, moving that giant tire, so strong. Forklifts are all about balance and power. Just imagine lifting something that heavy. These machines are made to stay steady and safe, even with huge loads, so they don't tip over. That's why forklifts are like the superheroes of the construction site, lifting everything and keeping it all in place. How cool is that? And finally, let's color these strong black forks. Forks like these need to be super sturdy to lift heavy pallets and crates. Just imagine lifting something that weighs as much as a car. Forklifts make it look so easy. Wow, awesome job, construction crew. Look at our forklift. It looks amazing. That's it for today. Stay tuned for the next episode of Let's Learn. See you again soon, little builders.